Hello friends, welcome to English Conversation Practice. Do you want to speak English fluently and confidently? In this video, you will learn 5 easy methods to practice English speaking. Each method comes with real life conversations and simple dialogues. So relax, listen, repeat, and speak along. Let's begin our English journey together. Method number 1, listen and repeat with me. Listen to short sentences, pause, repeat them aloud. This helps you with pronunciation and speaking confidence. For example, there is a dialogue at the coffee shop. There are two persons. They are talking about something. Barista and, for example, you. Barista says, "Hello, what can I get you?" You will say, "One black coffee, please." Barista, anything else? You? Yes, a muffin too. Barista, that's all be $5. You, here you go. Barista, thank you. Have a nice day. You will say, "Thanks, you too." Repeat each line after listening. Say it 3 times for fluency. Method number 2, use daily life topics. Practice topics from your daily life. Use simple short sentences. For example, there is a dialogue talking about your day. For example, there are two persons, Emma and Liam. Emma says, "Hi, how was your day?" Liam says, "It was good. I went to work. I went to work and then to the gym." Emma says, "That's great. What time did you finish work?" Liam, at 5 p.m. Emma says, "Did you eat dinner?" Liam says, "Yes, I had pasta." More daily topics to try. For example, what did you eat? What did you watch? What time did you wake up? Talk to yourself about your day in English. Speak it aloud like a story. Method number 3, role play conversations. Choose a role: student, shopper, tourist, etc. Act out both parts of a conversation. For example, role play at the grocery store. There is a clerk and you. You are talking. For example, clerk says, "Hello, can I help you?" You say, "Yes, where is the bread?" Clerk says, "It's near the milk in aisle 2. You say, "Thank you. Do you sell eggs?" Clerk says, "Yes, they are in the same aisle." You say, "Perfect. I will take a dozen." Record yourself acting out both roles. Switch voices for fun and learning. Method number 4, ask and answer questions. Practice asking simple questions. Practice answering them clearly. For example, there is a dialogue meeting a new person, you and a stranger. For example, you say, "Hello, what's your name?" Stranger says, "My name is Sarah. What's yours?" You will say, "I am Daniel. Nice to meet you." Sarah says, "Nice to meet you too." You will say, "Where are you from?" You will ask, "Where are you from?" Sarah will say, "I am from Canada. Are you?" You will say, "I am from India." For example, "I am from India." Yeah. Or, "I am from United States. Do you live here now?" Sarah says, "Yes, I moved last month." Write 10 easy questions and answer them aloud. Try it with a friend too. Method number 5, describe what you see. Look at things around you. describe them in simple English helps improve vocabulary and fluency. For example, describing your room. My room is small but clean. My room is small but clean. There is one bed, a table, and a chair. The walls are white. I have a window with blue curtains. There is a lamp on my table. I study here every evening. Practice this conversation with yourself and record these sentences. For example, simple dialogue describing a fork. There are two persons, Alex and Maya. Alex asks, "What do you see in the fork?" Maya answers, "I see trees, flowers, and children playing." Alex asks, "Do you like coming here?" Maya answers, "Yes, it's peaceful and green. I come here every morning." Alex, "That's nice. Fresh air is good for health. Take a walk and describe what you see in English. Try to speak at least 5 sentences." Here is a bonus conversations using all methods. For example, at the library, a librarian and you. For example, librarian asks, "Can I help you find a book?" You will say, "Yes, I am looking for English grammar books." Now librarian says, they are on the second shelf." You will say, "Thank you, can I borrow 2 books?" Librarian, "Sure, just bring your library card." You, "Here it is." Now librarian will say, "All set, return them in 14 days." You will say, "Got it, thanks again." For example, at the doctor's office, receptionist says, "Good morning, do you have an appointment?" You will say, "Yes, at 10 a.m. Receptionist will say, "Please take a seat and doctor will see you soon." You will say, "Thank you." Now doctor comes and you meet the doctor. Doctor says, "Hello, what's the problem?" You will say, for example, I have a sore throat and a fever." Doctor will say, or doctor says, "I'll check you. You may need some medicine." For example, planning a trip. There are 2 persons, they are planning a trip, Sophia and Lucas. Sophia asks, "Do you want to go on a trip next weekend?" Lucas says, "Yes, so where shall we go?" Sophie says, "Let's go to the mountains." Lucas says, "Great idea. Should we book a hotel?" Sophie, "Yes, I will check online." Lucas, "I'll take care of the food and snacks." Sophie, "Perfect. It will be fun." For example, making an appointment, you and a person, for example, his name is Salon. "Hello, I would like to make an appointment." Salon says, "Sure, what day and time?" You will say, for example, Friday at 4 p.m. please. Salon, "We have a lot at 4. Do you like a haircut and styling?" You, "Just a haircut." Salon will say, "All done. See you Friday." For example, talking about hobbies. There are 2 persons, they are talking about hobbies, Nana and Sam. For example, Nana says, "What are your hobbies?" Sam answers, "I like reading books and gardening." Nana, "That's nice. I enjoy painting." Sam, "Have you painted anything recently?" Nana, "Yes, a sunset. I'll show you sometime." Sam, "I would love to see it." For example, talking about weather, there are 2 persons, they are talking about weather, Liam and Emma. Liam asks, for example, Liam says, "It is raining a lot day." Emma says, "Yes, and it's cool too." Liam, "I forgot my umbrella." Emma says, "I have one. We can share." Liam, "Thanks, you are a lifesaver." Well done, everyone. You just practiced 5 easy methods to speak English confidently and fluently. Remember these 5 things: listen and repeat, use daily topics, role play, ask and answer, describe what you see. Use these methods every day to improve your speaking skills fast. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Keep speaking, keep smiling, and never stop learning English.